So if you can come on this side of stuff, I have a half a cup of moringa leaves, and I'm going to put this in the boiling water. Can you come and get a picture of that? Thank you. So we're going to put this in the water, and we're going to let this boil. When it comes to a boil, we're going to just pour the tea in our cup. So while we're waiting for this to boil, I'm going to show you how to actually take the moringa leaves off. And then the second way I'm going to show you how to make tea is to blend it. Okay, so we're going to grind it or blend it and make a powder. Okay. I have a little helper outside. Do you want to help me?
Sure.
Okay, we're going to take this off, but let me step over here to stir this. Okay. And we're going to let it sit and steep for a minute. Okay, so this is one way. This is when we actually take the leaves and we let it boil. And we're going to let it sit and steep for a minute. Okay, so hi, I'm back again. And I just want to show you how you take the moringa leaves off the moringa plant. So I just wait until I dry it out. Now, when you ready to harvest this, you want to make sure that you wash it, and then you sit it out and let it dry or air dry. And then I just take my leaves and I just slide it down just like this into a clean bowl. The yellow leaves, I get rid of those. Okay, you got a part in the airplane. All right, so there go my moringa leaves. Are you getting my leaves?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so these leaves, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to grind these up or blend it into a powder, okay? All right, so this is what my plant looks like now that I finished extracting or taking off the leaves. All right, now I'm gonna show you another way to make tea from the powder. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, so now, if you can look in, our tea is just about ready. Can you see the tea? All right. I'm gonna pour. Whoops.
Ooh.
Just make sure I get nothing but the tea. And sometimes just for color, sometimes I do like to have a little of the water. But you can always use a strainer to strain. Make sure the leaves don't get in. All right, ta-da. Now if you want to, you can add a little honey in this. Okay, so now it's time for me to show you another way. Hi, this is Ishtar again. Like I promised, I want to show you another way to make the moringa tea. So right now we're going to put it inside my Ninja blender, and we're going to turn our leaves into powder. So put that in, and I want you to see how I grind it up. All right, so I'm gonna put on first. All right, so I finished taking the moringa leaves and I just crushed them down to a smaller size, and I'm going to put this in the boiling water to make some moringa tea. All right, so the water. Okay, welcome back. All right, if you can look now, the tea looks ready. It boiled for a while with the moringa leaves. Now I'm gonna test it. If my husband like it, then it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so he's been outside working, and I'm going to see if he wanted to try this moringa tea. So I'm going to use my strainer. Make sure you get this. Can they see this? So you really want to make sure
Thank you.
You're not pouring the leaves in your tea.
Just put it right there.
Are you able to see what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have?
Oops. I'm gonna have to edit that. Let me get that for
Mom, you're on camera. You're on camera.
All right, how does that smell? All right, so do you want brown sugar?
That's the only sugar I eat.
All right, so I'm gonna get a little brown sugar. Lift it up a little bit. Okay, that's your cup. Let me know how it tastes.
We have to do it too.
All right, by the way, this is moringa. This is a moringa plant. Okay, it's good for high blood pressure. It's good for high blood pressure. It's good for diabetes. It's good for weight loss. It's good for some of everything. Oh. You like it?
Wow.
He said that about everything. All right, Stafford, do you want to try?
Sure.
All right, so I'm going to let you try a little bit. Don't get the table. Let me blow it. All right, so this is what you're going to drink. This is the moringa plant, okay? It's good for asthma, allergies, some of everything.
Take a sip.
Is it too hot? All right, guys, so that's it for today. Maybe next time I can show you how to take the moringa plant and then you can turn it into a powder. You can shake it on your salad. There's so much you can do with this, and we can also make mint tea. All right,
Wow.
see you next time.
What about what's on your neck?
Oh, this is Here We Grow. So we grow the herbs, we grow the plants, and then we turn it into food.
And can we get those on yourfaithfarms.com?
Sure, absolutely.
All right.
See you next time. Here we grow.